At Reading Horizons, we're committed to providing the resources educators need to help all students read proficiently. In this video, we will showcase our Reading Horizons Discovery Bundles so you can choose the option that best meets the needs of your school or district. First, let's look at what's in the Print Essentials pack. This bundle includes the following: grade-specific reference and support materials, such as phoneme cards, wall posters for the classroom, and individual sound wall cards for students. 2 volumes of student transfer books for groups and center work, and 6 sets of grade-specific decodable books, each set covering the 6 chapters of the curriculum. As an added benefit, this bundles box can also serve as a small bookshelf for your decodable books when turned on its side. Next, we have the Reading Foundations Kit. This bundle includes the same materials listed in the Print Essentials pack and also includes 6 grade-specific printed lesson plan books to help assist teachers in the classroom. To discuss which option best suits the needs of your school or district, or for any questions you have about each bundle, please visit readinghorizons.com and schedule a call.